Hey, here's a quick review on the QIBOAK Wire Crimping tool and connector set. Here's the crimping tool. You got three different size settings here, depending on what size wire you're crimping. It's pretty smooth, it's not too big, it seems pretty sturdy. And then as far as the crimp set, the connection set here, there's 800 different pieces in here. Comes with different connection styles, and then it comes in different sizes. You can crimp wires from 10 gauge to 22 gauge. All right, to demonstrate the tool, I'm going to use 14 gauge speaker wire I got here. That means I got to use my blue connector per the instructions on the kit. On the side here, it's color coded so you know which setting that you have to use on the crimper. I like to put my connection in first. Make sure it's lined up correctly. And I have it softly locked in. It will hold, makes it easy if you want to manipulate your wire. There's also a release lever if I wanted to take this out right now. And then you line your wire up. Crimps it, and then it self-releases. Nice and tight connection, real easy to use.